pelatih dari posisi solo, pick and roll, dan bermain sulit. First, maybe you want to give some comment on today's match.
Yeah, I just come out of the rest of the room. I don't think I have to describe you what that looks like. Extremely disappointed. At the same time, when you look over 90 minutes, I think the story of this game was that we created enough, especially in the first half, probably create a little bit more distance with Bayern. And I think reasonably control the game in terms of the counter. Apart from a few moments where I think we were a little bit sloppy in possession. Yeah, and then I think in the last minute before half time, that's of course a shit moment. Is one of our players, I think on our right hand side, chooses to press while he probably should have stayed in a block. And then you go in half time with 0, and that's a different situation, because I think when you come out of the dressing room in the second half, I mean, you could concede the second one. You see that we start getting stats, but I can't blame the players, because they came here for 3 points. We all were desperate to win this game, and I think when you look at how the scoreline, how that happened, I wasn't surprised that we got a little bit stretched. On the 10 stayed high, which I understand, and then Zanadin ran out of the legs, so Fuad played in a very big space to protect the counter. We tried to solve that with bringing Penta, and also in the second half I think we created enough. In the end, it's got to get in the back of the net to get a result.
Ya, Coach itu bilang bahwa saya nggak akan banyak cerita tentang apa yang terjadi di luar negeri, tapi yang pasti semua merasa kecewa, dan saya juga merasa kecewa karena kalau tadi melihat 90 pertandingan, sepertinya kita tidak melihat permainan yang sesungguhnya, karena di babak pertama tadi kita bisa mengontrol pertandingan dan punya beberapa kesempatan melakukan yang cukup bahaya, tapi kemudian kita beranjak menjadi bermain yang lebih lambat. Dan ketika mau memasuki second half atau half time tadi, kita ada satu momen yang cukup ceroboh dan kemudian berhasil dimanfaatkan oleh Persebaya, yang dimana seharusnya pemain kita mungkin bisa menutup ruang yang harusnya ada tidak bisa untuk Persebaya. Kemudian ketika kita keluar ruang, nanti kita masuk kebobolan lagi, dan saya tidak mau menyalahkan pemain, ini adalah kerja kolektif. Dan tadi mungkin kita lihat kayak Zanadin dan Sule juga melindungi beberapa ruang yang cukup ngomong di luar tengah, tapi ya kalau kita melihat hasil tadi masih cukup mau jalan.
So maybe you want to give some comment.
Add to what the coach is saying. I'm very disappointed in not getting the 3 points today. I think we came for the 3 points. I think you can see in the first half when we played that we wanted to go and try and win the game. Football is a funny game, when you're down there, when you're down the bottom, these moments don't go for you, Like the coach said, we had a couple of chances to put a bit of distance between us and Persebaya. We don't take them chances. The 2 goals we conceded were quite avoidable, in my opinion. So these small margins aren't going for us at the moment, but I still believe that if you keep sticking to the principles that the coach wants, and that things will turn. I believe that fully, that things will turn, that things will be better. But right now, at this moment in time, it's just a bit difficult. I don't think everyone wants this season I've ever seen the players not try to give 100%, or try to win the game. But like I said, these moments aren't going for us at the moment, so I think we all just have to stick together and keep pushing in the right direction.
Iya, sudah bilang sama seperti pemain dan juga yang dibilang oleh pelatih, dia merasa sangat kecewa dengan pertandingan tadi, karena kita melihat babak pertama tadi kita bisa mengontrol pertandingan tapi tidak bisa memanfaatkan peluang, dan saat ini dia hanya bisa terus percaya dan sesuai dengan kemauan pelatih dia percaya bahwa kedepannya akan menjadi lebih baik, karena ini adalah momen yang cukup sulit ketika pemain memberikan 100% tapi tidak bisa meraih hasil yang diinginkan, dan saat ini kita harus tetap bersama untuk bisa meyakini bahwa kedepannya hal menjadi lebih baik.